Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about two important tools. One is a tool for writer, another one is a better chatbot. So let us go on to today's video and explore how the two AI tools will be useful for our academic writing, content creation and research article preparation. So let us go on to today's video. So first tool what we are going to discuss today is that Edgewriter AI. So here you can see this is Edgewriter. Supercharge your writing with AI Edgewriter. So after you click in through this Edgewriter, so you can log in through your email ID. So after that you will be receiving an email verification. So click on that link and you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So this is a dashboard of this Edgewriter AI. So after that you can click on write or start writing. You will be getting this kind of dashboard. So here you can see in this you can type a prompt. So here you can see for example it is given like that. Type your prompt in here. For example, write a cover letter for me including these below bullet points on my experience. So like that you can give whatever the prompt you want. So thereby you will be getting an answer for that particular prompt you have created. So like that you can generate content using this kind of Edgewriter tool. So next thing is that type of post there are different options: long form, email, press release, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. Like that you can give that long form. So after that you can give friendly. So before that we have to give you a prompt. So let us check it out. So first thing what I am going to do is I am going to give a normal prompt to explain something. So what I am going to give is explain about renewable energy with recent statistical data. So the prompt I have given about explain about renewable energy with recent statistical data. So here for I have selected long form. In that friendly I have select instructive, or you can create helpful, whatever the tone you want you can create, or you can create a new type of post or new tone. So next number of words. So I have increased, I have given about 150 words. So around 150 words I have given. So after that what I am going to do is I am going to click create a post. So let us see how it will generate content for that particular post we have created. So prompt you have created. You can see here our content is generated. So renewables are slowly gaining foothold in the energy industry, but with all the talk of climate changes, where renewables and where to do they fit in, renewable energy system become more efficient in all time. In 2015 renewables accounted for 16% of total global energy production. There is an increase of 2 percentage points from the year before. So like that it is pinpointed the statistical data of year. So as we have asked for a statistical data, so let us see what are the other. So others are general point, it is generated. So thereby you can copy this and you can paste in your Word file, or else you can increase the number of words and you can generate more content. So like that you can make use of this option to create your content. So here these are the type, view, tones. So you can explore the thing you have done before. So like that. So let us explore with some other points. Generate an abstract for the topic 3-port converter to integrate renewable energy and battery with power management. So like that I am going to give a prompt, generate an abstract. So for next I am going to give create a post. So sorry, I didn't selected the words, but okay, no problem, it is generated. So the need for integrating renewable energy sources in our current grid system has been recognized for a while now. Grid operators and while so like that it will generate on the way to use the 3-port converters to convert renewable energy like solar, wind to usable power, send that power to utility grid. So like that it will generate content for the particular input prompt you have given. So you can make use of this option to generate different content using this Edgewriter. So next you can view the content you have done. So and you can make use of this post, that is your old post also if you are need. So next you can see this is upgrade option. So this is $12 per month, unlimited AI content creation, and you can save and store content. There is no restriction in that save and store. So you can make use of this option if you are interested in. So go on and explore Edgewriter. There are 5 posts you can avail for free. So you can create 5 posts. Thereby you can generate content using this Edgewriter. So this is the first tool we have discussed today. So the next tool what we are going to discuss is that LLAMMA 2 Perplexity. So we have already discussed that Perplexity AI is one of the best AI tool which equals the databases of a ChatGPT, and it will generate a better content as like your ChatGPT do. So for that Perplexity it is generated a chatbot called LLAMMA 2. So we can explore that chatbot. So after you can click to this link Perplexity site, you will be getting a so I am going to click this Perplexity site. So you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So you can ask anything by giving your prompt. So I am going to ask the same thing what I have did in our Edgewriter. Explain about renewable energy in power sector with recent statistical data. So I am going to give an input prompt. So let us see how it will works out, how it will generate. So here our content is started to generate. So it will generate a better content than Edgewriter. So here you can see renewable energy has been gaining traction in the power sector in recent years due to its numerous environmental, economic and social benefits. Here are some of the key statistics on renewable energy. So installed capacity 16% in 2020. So the total over 2500 gigahertz. Next 24% in 2010. So like that it will give a better statistical data than the other one. And also the renewable energy is creating jobs as a rapid pace. According to the International Renewable Energy Agency, the sector improved over 11 million people worldwide from 2020 up to just from 4 million in 2010. So from 2010 to 2020 you can see the difference of the job opportunities created from 4 million to 11 million. So like that it will give you a fantastic statistical data. Thereby you can use this for your blog post or introduction part of your research paper, or else you can make a graph and analyze for your work also. So like that you can give input prompts and make use of this to generate content. So next I am going to give generate an abstract in about 150 words for the title grid connected solar PV system. So like that I am going to give a general topic. Let us see whether it will generate content or not. Yes, it is generated, and the time response also very fast. So the integration of grid connected PV systems gained widespread. So this system allows households and businesses to generate their own electricity and feed any excess back to the grid. So like that it will generate a common content related with that particular topic we have given. So if you are in the title itself, if you have mentioned what are the techniques you are using in this particular work you are doing, so it will generate that content accordingly. So let us ask for some other thing also. So generate an outline for the thesis title, control and implementation of 3-port 3-port zeta converter for renewable energy and battery integration. So like that I am going to give input. So here you can see the outline for the thesis started to generate. First one is introduction. So you can see background and motivation for the use of 3-port zeta converters, literature review, overview of 3-port zeta converters and application. Next, control strategies. Next, you can see objectives and scopes, objective of the thesis, scope of the thesis. Next, methodology, mathematical model of 3-port zeta converters, simulation tools used for analysis and design. So next, overview of control strategies for 3-port zeta converters, adaptive control techniques for renewable energy and battery integration. Next, real world examples of 3-port zeta converters used in renewable energy and battery integration. Next, presentation of simulation and experiment results of 3-port zeta converter, discussion of performance of the controller in terms of efficiency, flexibility. So like that it will generate a better content. And also we can ask generate recent reference papers related to the topic multi-port converters. So I am going to ask recent reference paper. So here you can see it will generate the reference paper with the summarized content. So that is the abstract summary. So here you can see multi-port converters for a power system, a survey, IEEE transaction in power electronics in 2020. So this paper provides a comprehensive survey of multi-port converters, including the topologies, control strategies and application in power system. The author also discussed the changes in the limitations of the multi-port converters and identify area of future research. Around 5 different papers are generated. Thereby you can make use of this option to write a literature review part of your research paper. So this is a fantastic chatbot. So thereby you can use, so as you can use with your chatgpt. So you can make use of this Perplexity AI powered chatgpt also, and you can generate unique content using this chatbot. So these are the 2 important tools we have discussed today, that is supercharge, that is Edgewriter AI. So next one is Perplexity, that is LLAMMA chat. So thereby you can make use of this, both of this AI tools to generate content for your research article or any academic writing purpose. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So you can go on and try this chatbot. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.